Hello again. Welcome back to day 3 of our 30 days English journey. I'm really happy you're still here.
Oh, yeah. 3 days in a row. That feels good.
Yes, it does. And today we'll talk about something very important in English.
Hmm. What is it?
Today, we'll learn how to talk about yesterday, things you did before today.
Oh, past tense.
Exactly. But don't worry, we'll keep it simple, slow, and easy. First, let's understand one word, yesterday.
Yesterday means the day before today?
Perfect. So when we talk about yesterday, we usually use past tense.
Ah, okay.
For example, today I say, I wake up at 7 a.m., but yesterday I say, I woke up at 7 a.m.
Oh, wake becomes woke.
Yes, some verbs change, some stay the same. We'll practice slowly. Let's start with yesterday morning.
Okay.
Try this sentence. Yesterday, I woke up early.
Yesterday, I woke up early.
Good. How did you feel?
I felt sleepy.
Nice. I felt sleepy.
I felt sleepy but calm.
Great sentence. Then what did you do?
I got out of bed.
Perfect. I got out of bed.
I got out of bed slowly.
Very natural. Now let's talk about habits, but in the past.
Okay.
Say, I brushed my teeth.
I brushed my teeth.
And?
I washed my face.
Good. How did the water feel?
Oh, cold.
So you can say, the water was cold.
The water was cold but refreshing.
Very good English. Now, breakfast.
Ah, okay.
Say, I had breakfast at home.
I had breakfast at home.
What did you eat?
I ate eggs and bread.
Perfect. And drink?
I drank tea.
Excellent. How was breakfast?
It was simple but good.
That's a perfect sentence. Now, getting ready.
Okay.
Say, after breakfast, I took a shower.
After breakfast, I took a shower.
Then,
Then I got dressed and checked my phone.
a very real life. Now, leaving home.
I left home at 8 a.m.
Good. How did you go out?
I walked to the bus stop.
Nice detail. How did you feel on the way?
A little tired, but okay.
Great emotional English. Now let's move to the afternoon.
Ah, busy time.
Say, in the afternoon, I worked.
In the afternoon, I worked and answered emails.
Good. What about lunch?
I had lunch at 1 p.m.
Did you enjoy it?
Yes, it was nice.
Now, evening.
Ah, finally.
Say, I came back home in the evening.
I came back home and felt tired.
What did you do then?
I sat down and relaxed.
Good. Anything fun?
I watched some videos.
Very honest. Now, dinner.
I had dinner with my family.
What did you eat?
We ate simple food and talked.
Nice and natural. Nighttime.
Ah, quiet time.
Before sleeping, did you think about your day?
Yes, I thought about my day.
How did you feel?
I felt satisfied.
That's a great word. And finally, sleep.
I went to bed at 11 p.m.
Perfect ending sentence. So today, you learned how to talk about yesterday in English
Yeah, it feels easier than I thought.
because you used simple sentences.
No translation.
Exactly. Keep practicing.
See you tomorrow?
Yes. See you on day 4.